In this module, I'm going to talk to you about using screen capture. Now, screen capture is something where it allows you to take the screen here. You can see my mouse moving around here. All these videos that you're seeing me do stuff on the screen, this is called screen capture. And it can be very simple. Now, a lot of people know about this Camtasia. Camtasia allows you to do screen capture, and then you can go back and edit everything, and you can divide it up into chapters. It has a lot of great features. It is $300, but before you're going to go ahead and spend $300 on Camtasia and really spend a lot of time on each one of those projects, because it is a very robust program, I want to show you how to use something very simple. Now down here you see Jing, and that's what I'm using right now. And one of the reasons I use Jing is because it makes you teach in 5 minutes. Gets your message across in 5 minutes. So one of the things I'll show you here is if we go to products and go down to Jing. So you have Jing for free, and then you have Jing for about $15 a month. And one thing I don't like about Jing free is it saves it as a flash file. That's your only choice. And when you save it as a flash file, you're not going to be able to display it on iDevices like the iPad, iPhone, iPod Touch, and such. So since this is about iPhone video, we don't want to use Jing free. Now if you want to use it for other applications, that's fine, just recording for yourself or someone within the office or whatever. But Jing Pro is going to allow you to save it as an MPEG-4, and that's what I'm saving all of these as. So you have 5 minutes recording, and go ahead if you want to purchase try the Jing free so you can see what it's like, and then go and buy the $15 recorder. What it's doing is allowing you to record movement on the screen. So some screen capture devices you're going to find out is just taking a still of it. You don't want that. What you want is actual video. So it's recording video. Another thing you can do is this one down here is click on this here. This is Capture Fox. This is a free plugin. It allows you to capture the whole screen Firefox window or browser region, so you can select a region. The highest frames per second though you can do is 5 frames, so not a lot of movement is going to be captured in there. So only 5 frames every second are going to be captured. And then it is pretty good. That allows you to have things like your check the microphone you want to use or stereo mix whatever is playing through your computer. You can do it that way. And then it doesn't have the 5-minute. You can actually go past 5 minutes of recording. So that is that. And then one of the things it does is it works really well with TechSmith. Now TechSmith, Screencast. Screencast will allow you to save those videos that you produce up to the internet. And it'll save it on a kind of a folder up on the web, and you can just send someone a link, and then they can click on the link. They're not downloading that whole video into their email, or you're not having to download it every time someone sees that link. So they click on the link, and it opens up Screencast, and they can watch it there. Now the other thing you can do is you can take this MP4, the MPEG-4 that it creates, and just save it to your computer, and then upload it to your Amazon S3 server or your other video service as an MPEG-4. That's what I've been doing with all of these modules you're seeing. So I'm not using Camtasia. I'm actually just using Jing. It records up to 5 minutes. It allows you to get your point across. You have to be very succinct in getting your message down to 5 minutes. And let me show you a couple things here with what this looks like. So another great thing about this is you can email, you can post it to your blog, and then you can also use Facebook, Twitter, and such. And you can also save this immediately, put it up to your FTP server or your server where your blog is, or even YouTube. So it's definitely worth the $15 a year, and it's very accessible. It's always ready to be ready to start recording. There's just a little button right off the side of your screen. You click it, select the area you want to record, plug in your microphone, and start recording. So this is screen capture. I highly recommend you get Jing to start with. Get the free one if you want to just try it out. And then also there is the Capture Fox plugin for Firefox.